Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another special unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Definitely a new hot seller coming out of this box. It's coming from Bodyprox. So definitely check them out and see what other goodies and styles they have. And I was telling you guys, a lot of people from different cities are going to be wanting this, especially if you're into outdoor activities like bicycling and stuff like that. So we're about to try this on, show you guys what it looks like, all that good stuff today. And go, get the cut going, get that open. Here we go, guys. Definitely excited. So in case they do have any social media other feeds, I will leave their links down below. Give them a follow. So this is Amazon Prime, and definitely take advantage of the Prime's fast and free shipping. They'll ship this out to you in no time. Oh yes. Oh, there goes box. Here we go. Protective shorts. Okay, here we go. Your choice of rugged and hidden armor. So it's kind of like body armor for your lower body during bicycling. Okay, hand wash, cold only. Dry flat. Do not machine wash. Do not tumble. Do not bleach. Do not use fabric softener. Do not iron. Do not dry clean. Do not wing. I don't understand that one. Something new for me. But here we go. Premium protection. I'm gonna wear. Try this on, but I'm not gonna get dressed in front of you guys. So I'm gonna pause you guys in a second once we go over this. And once we look at the material and all that good stuff. Alright, here we go. Hidden armor for your vulnerable hip, thigh, sit bone, tailbone. Effectively bends and moves along with your body during intense, all-out sports activities. So, UFC, like MMA. This will be good for pretty much everything. Takes a few bumps in wrestling. If you're at the training facility or stuff like that. Protective shorts. So this will be good for the older people too. That maybe might fall down one day on their tailbone. They need some extra padding. Interesting bag. Alright, and whoa. Alright, hold on one sec. Okie dokie. We got it out of the bag. Here she is. Oh, here we go. Facebook right there. Twitter, Instagram. There's our website also. But I will definitely leave those in the description also, and Amazon Prime time. Oh, there we go. So this is how it wears. If you guys can see, there's the inside. Go deep inside. It's flexible. There's that. Bodyprox. We got the padding here. It's like comfortable. Definitely liking it. So, alright, I'm gonna try this on, and hopefully this goes well. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got the Bodyprox bicycle shorts. Good amount of padding. There you go. So check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below to get one at a low cost. And that's about it. Be safe. Have a good day. See ya.